Today I would like to speak to you about my speed cycle experience. So for 8 weeks I tried to improve my speed, or more specifically my VVO2 max. So I found a plan online. Basically I started the 8 weeks by checking what was my VVO2 max, which is about some speed you can sustain for 6 minutes. And the result for me was I was able to run for 1,700 meters, so 17 kilometers per hour, or also 3.32 minutes per kilometer, or 5.41 minutes per mile. So I was quite happy with the result, and the goal was for me to improve that even further. I wasn't expecting a big, massive improvement. I was looking for maybe, 500 meters more, so 7.5 kilometers per hour would have been nice. So started this cycle quite eager, really confident I would improve a little bit, if not more. So the cycle was about running 2 speed sessions per week. The first one you do 300 meters repeat at VVO2 max with 1:1 walk and rest ratio. The second speed session is 200 meters repeat, and this time you go 105% of your VVO2 max. So for me it's about 18 kilometers per hour. And those repeats you start at say 8, 10, and over the weeks you increase that. For example, for the 200 meters you can reach 20 repeats at the end of the cycle, and you've got a down week in the middle to recover. Also, ideally you should run a third session per week, easy pace, just nice and easy, and a few sprints at the end, just to maintain the speed, the turnover, leg turnover. So I did that, and really I didn't feel too good. Like for example, after 2 or 3 weeks, already I couldn't sustain what was planned. I had to stop the workout or increase the rest time, and that has been like that for the full cycle. I never managed to really fully nail one of these workouts as planned. So it wasn't too good. Also, I didn't enjoy running anymore. Almost I was dreading going and doing those sessions. My resting heart rate was going up. I was a little bit more stressed as well based on my Garmin stress levels. That was marginal, but the resting heart rate clearly was a bit up. And my performance, even when I was doing an easy run, was going downhill, so I didn't feel like I could run easily as I used to. And my Garmin was confirming that big time. For example, my VVO2 max went down from 50-51 to 46-45 at the end of the cycle. But still, I saw, VVO2 max, that's because I'm doing speed work, and then because of the rest time, I'm walking, and my heart rate is still high. So probably the Garmin doesn't figure that out very well and think that my VO2 max is going down, but maybe not. I still saw that maybe I could see some improvement in my final tests. So also something I need to mention, I wasn't sleeping very well. I was building this website, my website processmyrun.com, and I wasn't sleeping a lot. So that didn't do any good, that's for sure. Maybe also, who knows, maybe I had the virus. I had a common cold, didn't think too much of it, but maybe it was the virus, and now I'm still paying the price. So anyway, out of that, at the end, I did my Semi Cooper to see, how much I evolved, and no surprise, it went down. So I was able to run 1,000 and more or less 600 meters, which is 16 kilometers per hour. And so I lost 1 kilometer per hour speed in this VVO2 max. So it wasn't a good result at all. To be fair, is it because of the cycle? Is it because I wasn't running much anymore? I was only doing the 2-speed session per week, and most of the time I was skipping the easy run because I was so tired. Was it because I was sleeping so little? I don't know. I know that I contacted the coach who was giving this program for free, and was very kind. He was answering my question, all along. And so I told him about my feedback, was a bit, let's say, negative. And he told me I was, out of 50 feedback, I was the only one who saw a regression. All the other people improved. It may be well the case. Again, I don't know. I'm just one example. The conclusion I have, though, is that at least for me, at my age, my experience, I don't think that a speed cycle is the best. And I think I will take it, more easy. Probably do more like a polarized, whereby I would do far more easy run, more volumes. Still sprinkle in some speed session, but probably no more than once a week. And not as intense at what I used to do. Basically, I want that at the end of the session, I feel tired but happy, and not what I was experiencing, which was completely wasted. I had a headache for the rest of the night. My stress level for the night was very high, according to my Garmin again. So it wasn't a good experience. So this time, when I do speed session, I want it to be far more enjoyable. I want to enjoy what I'm doing, because as you know, it's probably the secret to be able to sustain. That was my experience. I don't know if that speaks to you guys. Let me know, of course, in the comments. I would gladly to know if I'm the only one who doesn't like speed cycle. Maybe I liked it, but not as difficult and not that often. Let me know, and see you next time. Bye.